Go back.
No.
A little close.
I lost my shoe while running.
Brando, you might want to look out. Come on, look out.
It's going to pop any second.
Whoa.
More.
Is that your mom?
No.
What the hell? Oh, watch out!
Oh, I thought that was Brittany's mom.
One more time.
You have it.
No
We'll
more.
see who's better. Aw. It ran out?
Almost.
It's hitting your face! Walk away!
Whoa, yeah!
Up five.
That was awesome!
I'll see you guys.
Me too.
I don't know your passcode.
See
Yeah, I
you,
have
man.
to go, man.
Don't forget, hey, what about I think you forgot some things in the house.
Because you got my shoes.
And your socks, man.
Yeah, I need to find my sock.
Put it in the bucket.
Okay.
That's boss. See you guys.